Morning, students. Today we will start historical change in sectors. Change in primary sector. In the developed countries, at the initial stages of development, primary sector was the most important sector of economic activity. As the methods of farming changed, agriculture sector began to prosper. It produced much more production than before. There were increasing number of craftspersons, traders, because many people could now take up other activities. Buying and selling activities increased. There were transporters, administrators. At this stage, most of the goods produced were natural products from the primary sector, and most people were employed in this sector. Now, change in the secondary sector over a long period, and especially because new methods of manufacturing were introduced, factories started, some factories expanding their production. Those people who had earlier worked on agriculture now began to work in factories. They were forced to do so because there was new factories were started. Now they can get employment in the factories also. People began to use many more goods. Goods were available at cheap rates. There were variety of goods in the market due to industrialization. Industrial sector gradually became the most important in total production and employment. Tertiary sector. Change in the tertiary sector. There has been a further shift from secondary to tertiary sector in developed countries. In the developed countries, primary to secondary sector, secondary to tertiary sector. Service sector has become the most important in terms of total production. Most of the working people are employed in the service sector. It is a general pattern observed in developed countries. Again, we will say primary to secondary sector, secondary to tertiary sector. What is the position of in India? GDP by primary, secondary and tertiary sectors are given. See this graph, 1973-74. Which sector was the largest producing sector in 1973-74? Primary sector. But now, if we see 2013-14, after 40 years, which sector is the largest producing sector in 2013-14? That is the tertiary sector. In India, 1973-74, agriculture was the largest sector, but now 2013-14, tertiary sector is the largest sector. Production is increased in 3 sectors, but tertiary sector has emerged as the largest producing sector in India, replacing the primary sector. Thank you.